From the wooden table in your children's study room to the wall that the president wants to build, a saw blade is a tool that comes in handy. Kingwave always strives for providing a gorgeous and affordable saw blade for the world cutting need and satisfy the customer with the highest quality of our products. Saw the future, build the world. Kingwave Saw Blade. This is Kingwave Saw Blade, located at Zhongshan, one of the most beautiful harbor city in Guangdong, China. Over these years, we always keep practicing and innovating to make us be the best developer and manufacturer in the field. Starting in 2004, Kingwave Saw Blade Manufacturing Company has been keep focusing on the production of high-quality saw blade. With advanced high-tech production equipment and a scientific traceability management system, we always strive to provide the most cost-effective solution for our customers' need, from wood, furniture, and metal industries. We have a complete standardized and efficient production line. Punching, laser cutting, heat treatment, automatic precision grinder, heat treatment switch HRC leveler, CNC tip brazing machine, warmer tip grinding from Germany, an automatic packing line. Professional team from each well-organized and managed departments, plus advanced technology machines. It provides motive power for the development of our company that also enable us to produce massive amount of saw blades each month in a safe and a green environment. Having a high-quality production does not have to compromise the quality. On the contrary, we value customer safety as our business life and make sure every single step in the production as precise and safe as possible. Strictly inspection and records from the incoming raw material to production process and to the post-sale service. This builds the foundation of our high quality and stable products. We also never give up on innovation. We identify ourselves as a researching company. Under the hard working of our research team, we have gained Chinese high-tech enterprise certificate and then saw blade relative patents. Most importantly, as an industrial factory in China, we have gained the fame of being the clean production enterprises. Expedite communication channel ensure Kingwave's research and development can be satisfied the needs of market and keep the same path with the voice of our customers. From industrial grade to general DIY quality, our products can meet all your demands. After years of our meeting efforts, our product has been widely accepted by the global market. Quality of our products has not only been acknowledged by numerous customers, but also won a good reputation in saw blade industry. Every single saw blade is made with the enthusiasm of our employee. The affirmation of market we gain deeply rely on the conscientious attitude. We will keep using our traditional but also innovating way to supply the most fundamental tool for the world development. In future, we will carry forward the spirit of workmanship and innovation to be the top domestic enterprise, to establish a worldwide famous brand. Saw the future, build the world. King Wave Saw Blade.